ready, Jessie?
Yeah.
Jessie is having apples with peanut butter mixed with organic yogurt. Do you want to keep the spoon or do you want me to take the spoon? Okay. Emmy, you want yogurt and molasses?
This baby's crazy.
A little bit of molasses in too. Okay, I'm going to move for molasses. This is what Emily wants. Apples with yogurt and molasses.
Yeah, that tastes odd. Two ponytails. Oh. Piggy tail.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah.
Do you need a spoon?
No.
Are you being a weirdo?
Yeah. Ah! Yeah, we get a package.
The ginormous one? What the heck?
Sabrina Boyd.
That's ours?
Yes. Hey,
Dang, it's massive.
bike. No.
Okay.
This box just ripped when I tried to lift it. Oh my. That is heavy.
Did you order a ladder?
It's a ladder. Okay, I'm gonna let you, but I think she might need some help. She's not strong enough for this. It's a ladder. It's too heavy.
You got it, Beth? Don't drop it on your toes.
It's on, guys.
Hey, Jessie's glasses.
What are you making?
What are you making, Beth?
What's it called? Coffee cake.
I am making veggies. I'm not making them. I'm chopping them.
We need some more honey, but
Are we using this stuff?
I'm not calling you a butt. I'm just calling the camera.
Because we can't put that.
Oh, you want me to go show you what they can do outside? Are you? Yeah, come on.
You got a few packages today?
A few?
A few. A lot of them are for Michael's business. Like that. We're gonna look and see what we got. Beeswax candles. Oh, that's cashew butter. Oh, that's sticky. Oh, that's Daddy's work stuff.
Oh, can I open one? Yeah.
Don't open all of them right now.
Can I open one?
What is that?
That one you get to open.
Me? What is it? Oh, no way! Oh,
The earrings are here. Huh? I want to see what they look like. I opened them.
Oh, it comes a little big.
Ooh, those are tiny.
Yeah, those are tiny.
Those will fit your ears.
Oh, I'm so happy.
You gonna get them cleaned and try them on?
Adri, your hairbrush!
Pull it out for her.
Your hairbrush, it's here!
Oh, careful. Let me see it. This is Adri's fancy new hairbrush that she's been wanting for a long time.
Wait, how many?
Layering it.
What are y'all doing?
We're making soap? We already made
No!
There.
I told you not to do it, and you didn't listen. No, don't put more. Here, put it in here. No. We'll make more soap.
We made all of this, and there's a drowned fish in this one.
No!
A drowned fish? Yeah, we put a fish in there when it was still wet. So
You put a dead fish in the soap?
No, the actual dead fish. No, it was.
Oh.
yeah.
Oh, wow.
We put a baby fish in there. Okay, quick, go do it again.
It doesn't need to be broken up.
Yes, it does.
So we've been
been making a lot, as you can see. Yeah. Okay, why is it green? Because there's green dye in it. Duh. Okay. Don't touch it, Bethany! Bethany, don't touch it! It's left for dead. Whoa! Quickly, drown a star or a fish or whatever. Star! Okay, where's the star? Do it. Hurry!
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl.
So I'm going to make some laundry detergent because I am now out. First thing I have to do is boil some water. While I'm waiting for that to boil, I'm going to make some deodorant because we are almost out of that. This is my handy dandy recipe box. It was actually my great grandmother's lunch box. So it's kind of special and it's where I keep all my recipes, including deodorant. I've tried a lot of store-bought deodorants that are natural and don't have aluminum in them, and I have not been impressed with any of them actually. So I found this recipe many years ago when I was back at the beginning of all my hippie craziness and tried it, and I loved it. It's the best one that I've ever found in terms of making you not smell. It's super easy to make. I generally have everything in my house or my bus that I need to make it, and it only takes about 5 minutes, and it lasts for a few of us to use, probably 6 months, maybe 4. Alright, so that is coconut oil, baking soda, arrowroot powder, and cornstarch. I'm going to add some essential oils and mix it up. You can put any essential oils in your deodorant that you want. You could use some sandalwood or some cedarwood and make it smell a little more manly. I'm going to go with some of the florals. So this one is lavender, geranium, clary sage. I'm going to do about 20 drops of the lavender and geranium each. About 10 drops of the clary sage. If you find that's too strong for you, you can make it without any essential oils. If you want it stronger, you can add more. I'm going to be careful not to add too many because you don't want to burn your armpits, but this is a pretty big batch. I actually doubled my recipe, so I may need to double my amount of essential oils. If you're having a little bit of trouble mixing it with a spoon, just do like I did and get your hands in there. Your hands will melt that coconut oil up real quick, and it'll help you to get it all mixed around. It just kind of depends on the climate that you're in and the humidity and how well it mixes. So yeah, this doesn't need to be stored in the fridge. I usually don't store it in the fridge, and it keeps for months and months. I've never had any issues with mold or anything like that. The only issue with keeping it out is when you're in warmer climates or in the summer anywhere pretty much. That coconut oil is going to melt, and when it melts, it separates. You're gonna need to stir it up every morning before you use it. If you want to store it in the fridge so that it doesn't separate, you can do that. It'll never separate, but it's gonna be rock hard, and stirring it is not much of an option until you take it out and let it thaw for a while. And I just don't have the patience to take something out for 10 minutes and then remember 10 minutes later about it. So I just keep mine on the counter. Most mornings I actually just use a butter knife. I can stir it up real quick and scrape it off. The spoon, you have to use your fingers and get them all in there. The butter knife just scrapes off right against the side, and there's very little waste. This is my last batch. That's how much is left. And I'm just gonna throw this in on top of it. So to use this in the mornings, all I do is take a little bit, that much. I'm gonna get my fingertips wet, but not pooled with water, wet, because it'll just absorb a little bit better, and then just rub it. That's one side, and then use the other hand for the other side. This will pack down quite a bit smaller than it looks like it is in this jar. It might not quite all fit in here, but most of it should. Got a little bit left. Find another jar. All right, my water's boiled, so I'm gonna get the laundry detergent made. I already explained in another video how I did this, so we'll put a link for that if you want to make your own laundry detergent. You can add essential oils to this, but I don't find that it makes a difference once your laundry is washed and rinsed. It just rinses all the essential oils right out of it, so I don't bother. And that's it. It's ready to use immediately as soon as you're ready for it. So, whole bottle of laundry soap, a couple minutes, and super cheap. Right? Mm-hmm. Yes. Toby! I missed you today. I did miss him. I have so much to tell you. But also not.
I have to take a shower. Somebody forgot the cheese.
Beth, can you tell us what you're doing?
Eating?
What's happening right now?
We're having a movie night outside the bus. It's dangerous.